Okay, today we're talking about a Moen urinal automatic flush valve that continues to flush. The water will not shut off. These tips also apply to a Moen automatic flush valve on a water closet. Okay, here's the parts breakdown for this flush valve. The parts we're replacing today is the manual override button flush valve and the control module in this video. And you can see the models that this pertains to right here. So here's that new manual override button flush valve. Comes with everything you see here. We compare and contrast it to the old one on top, new one on bottom. And here's the new control module. First, start by turning the water off. Here I am removing the old piston control disc. Here I am installing the new piston control disc. The new control module simply attaches with the 4 screws. Be sure you set your dip switches to the correct position for the GPF and urinal or water closet you're working on. Then reattach the cover and the 2 Allen set screws, and then slowly turn on the water to test your work. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.